Did you know that a tiny spice sitting quietly in your kitchen can fight inflammation, improve digestion, and even support your immunity? That's right. Just by drinking clove water every day, you could unlock a powerhouse of health benefits. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today we will address the big questions. How much of clove water is safe? How should you drink it, and who should avoid it? So, let's break it down. Cloves are dried flower buds packed with essential oils, antioxidants, and compounds like eugenol, which gives them both their strong aroma and medicinal power. When you soak them in water, these compounds slowly release, creating a natural herbal infusion known as clove water. Now, to prepare clove water, take 3-4 cloves and soak them overnight in a glass of water. In the morning, drink it on an empty stomach for best results. If you don't like the plain taste, you can add a dash of lemon or honey. You may also start your day with boiling 2 to 3 cloves in a cup of water, then let it steep for 5 minutes and sip it warm on an empty stomach. It's the best morning detox. You can also consume clove water as post-meal aid. Just drink it after a heavy meal to ease digestion. For extra immunity support, combine with ginger or cinnamon. Now that you know how to prepare and include clove water in your daily routine, you might be wondering, what exactly will it do for your health if you drink it regularly? Let's talk about the top benefits. Clove water stimulates digestive enzymes, reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion. It's especially helpful if you often feel heavy after meals. It strengthens immunity. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants and have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, helping your body fight infections. Clove water is perfect for your oral health. Drinking clove water can freshen your breath, and its antibacterial effects may reduce oral bacteria. Clove water has anti-inflammatory effects. The compound eugenol works like a natural pain reliever and anti-inflammatory agent, which may ease mild joint pain or headaches. Rich in antioxidants, daily intake helps neutralize free radicals, lowering the risk of cell damage and chronic diseases. Clove water acts as a potential aid for people managing type 2 diabetes. Remember, clove water is powerful, but not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid it unless approved by a doctor. People with liver problems should be careful, as excess eugenol can stress the liver. If you're on blood-thinning medication like warfarin, clove water may increase bleeding risk, so consult your doctor first. Drinking clove water every day can truly transform your health. But like with any natural remedy, moderation and awareness are key. If you found this video helpful and want to support our mission of raising health awareness, consider joining our channel memberships. The link is in the comments below. You'll get exclusive perks while helping us bring more natural health tips to people worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.